Welcome back. In this video, we shall be continuing with the drafting tutorial, this time looking at overload properties within the drafting workbench. Overload properties allow users to override the default properties of elements within a drawing or assembly to customize their appearance and behavior. This feature is particularly useful in the drafting workbench, where it is often necessary to highlight or differentiate specific elements for clarity or emphasis. To use the overload properties function first, we have to have a drawing open in the editor. For this example, we shall create a drawing from the bench vice assembly, and then using overload properties to change the appearance of the views. We have CATIA running, so all we have to do is open the bench vice assembly and then create a new drawing. With the new drawing created, we can now add views to the drawing. This is detailed in the view creation video. Check it out if you need help with the creation of views. Now we have some views on the drawing sheet. We can start changing the appearance of the view. In this example, we shall hide the slider part of the assembly, then change the line type. Make sure that the view you are changing is the active view. Then right-click on the view and navigate down to the Overload Properties function. This will open the dialog box where we can select the model we want to change. We are changing the base. This will highlight and the model name will appear in the dialog box. Click the Edit button and a second dialog box opens here. We can control the view of the model. Click on the Use when projecting radio button to switch off the model. This will force CATIA to not use that model when generating the view. Click OK and OK in the first dialog box. The view will be regenerated with the selected model not shown. As you can see, the screw model can now be seen. Now select Overload Properties again, and in the dialog box, click Edit and click the radio button for use when projecting. We can now select the radio button for shown. This will also hide the selected model, but the output is different, as CATIA is still using the part when generating the view. As we can see, the screw is still hidden. We can now change the line type of the selected model in the same way. The whole part is changed. To remove all the changes we have just made, we can hit the Reset button. So that is all for Overload Properties. If you enjoyed this video or found it remotely useful, please subscribe for more like it. Thanks for watching.